Another thing with the TRD Pro, you do get the black stainless. It's not very black in mine because I've been driving it. It's a little dirty, but let's see what it sounds like. I'm actually gonna show you another thing while I'm at it on the smart key here. So it doesn't say it, but it actually has remote start, both through the app and through the key fob. So I'm gonna demonstrate that really quick and let you hear what the exhaust sounds like at the same time. So let's do it. Got some moisture coming out. It's cold out today. And it's not really loud until you get on it, but it does have a nice low growl to it. Really kind of livens up this 4-liter.